this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is Repeat Saturday, where I take a layout from Facebook Live and put it on YouTube. And that was the inspiration that I wanted to use, and I'll link it down below. It is from Kat Martin when she used one of the Just Knit cut files. And this is a live in my group, and if you would like to participate in my group, I have that link down below as well for you to go. So when you see my hands and talking like this, if you have not watched one of my Repeat Saturdays before, it's where I take the list from Facebook and then go into it. So you'll see me talk a lot more and pointing and all that kind of stuff because it is from a Facebook Live. So I am using the collection It's All Good from Dear Lizzie. It is the collection 2 times ago, technically 3 because I know that she's just coming out with one because of Creativation. But the 2 pictures that I am using is of one of the magazines that I was published in for the second time. This is the second one. Is this the second one or the first one? The second one that I was published in. And what I wanted to do is document it because in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club that I am a part of, she over there had, Christina Sorge had a challenge of time capsule. And I do a lot of pictures of like 4 generations type pictures, all of that kind of good, all that kind of good stuff, if you want to call it that, or goody type stuff. I do all of that already. So I decided to take the challenge just a little bit differently and do something that I've never done before, which is being published. Now, obviously, this is the second set of photos that I am doing, but I didn't have the other ones printed out, which is fine. I'm going to scrapbook this set and then probably scrapbook the other set because I did make another one. I'm trying to hit all 4 seasons. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to hit the 4 seasons of the catalog. So they do winter, spring, summer, and fall. And I've done the winter twice now and the summer once. And I would love to try to get the fall and the spring just so I could say I was in all 4 editions for this one. So as I'm talking through all of this, Kat Martin had a border around hers, and I'm going to redo this one. I love this sketch. I'm not going to redo this particular layout, but I'm going to redo this inspiration because I should have placed all of what I'm doing right now on it first and then come in with this paper and put this on the back. I haven't done a live in over 3 months just because of work and school and all of this. I just haven't done it, and I made my point to make sure that I do lives and stuff in my group again because the people that I have over there, they absolutely love it. I know that they watch me on YouTube and also over there too, and I haven't done lives, and that is one thing that I love doing is lives. So I just want to get back into that and do that on a regular basis. And then in turn, if you have not watched, like I said, if you don't have Facebook or you want to see all of the layouts that I do, this is going to give you the best opportunity to be able to do it here because then I bring it to YouTube. So if you do not have Facebook or you're not attached to Facebook or my group, then you get to see what I'm doing over there too. So we decided to go this type of route with the frame into frame, and it's following the inspiration from Kat Martin pretty regularly. On it, I do change it just a little bit, but not too much. It's still, she has 1 photo, I have 2, but it still works out perfectly. So if you see me stop and a little bit more than normal, that is because I am desperately trying to keep up because we have been talking about Creativation. And when this goes up, Creativation will be live, and let me tell you, I know that there's going to be lots of talks about like what the collections look like, all of this kind of stuff. So that's what we were kind of talking about. So that was the hard part about this particular live, is we were talking about Creativation and what's going to happen in the new collections and all of this, that I kept stopping and I was like, wait, I gotta get back to work. I'm like on a live and here we are talking about Creativation. So, I just love, and here, that's what I'm saying. Like, you'll see my hands and I'm not doing anything, and that's because we're talking and I forget that, oh, I gotta do what I'm doing, what I'm here for, which is to do a live layout for you guys, or for my group. And I wanted to desperately add the llama and the giraffe. It honestly has absolutely nothing to do with my photos, but the colors match, as you guys all know. And in our lives, so between my live and Scrapping Amy's live, we always get told to add funny stuff. And so I wanted to add the llama and the giraffe because I wear glasses, and 2020, my whole year, I will tell you this, you will see a lot of things that if they have glasses, I am putting them on there. If we've got sunglasses or whatever, I'm putting them on there, because I'm like 2020, I don't have 2020 vision. So my 2020 vision is going to be very blurry. No pun intended, but pun intended. And so I'm going to add a heck of a lot of that. And so, yeah, so that is why you'll see a lot of things on there, and with the glasses and all that. Okay, so let's see here. Now I'm getting to the stickers. Everything is looking down. I wanted to kind of keep everything formed and around, and that works out perfectly for what I want. So now I'm starting to glue things down. I want the balloons in there. I like the balloons. I like the peach. I like the, I just like everything about it. It's just perfect. And Dear Lizzie, let me tell you, I love, 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 love Dear Lizzie. Dear Lizzie is like one of my faves. One of my favorite sections. And I absolutely, truly love how this turns out. And now I'm just going through the rest of the embellishments and just making sure everything is looking good and all of this kind of stuff. And it's absolutely, positively perfect. I just love, love how this turns out. It's awesome. It's perfect. And I also see the hashtag I put on there, and then the hashtag is also going to be part of my title. Now the hashtag is, I've got to look at what I want to do for the title. So I asked the group of ladies to come up with a title, and the title that I come up with is hashtag Scraptastic. And I think that that's fitting. I love, they threw out lifetime goals. They threw out goals. They threw out all these other different types. And I kept going back to Scraptastic. And I just love that. And that's just, I just love it. I just love, love, love it. And it's perfect. And I just felt that that was the right title for this. And now I'm just going in and pulling a couple of them. That one is from the New Day collection, and the hearts and stuff match on there. And I pull out the hearts, and then I do come in with the rest of these and place all these other little hearts on there. And I'm pretty much done embellishing this. I do show where my title is going to go. I do get that out. You'll see me not have any, I didn't know what thickers that I wanted to use, and then I remembered that I had these glittery looking ones, and I just love it. So that's what I use there. And then that is pretty much it. So while you're waiting, or while this is waiting, there's the thickers. I told you I had to go get them. Now, I scroll back down and I had to find the title to make sure I spelt it right. But while you were watching me put the title on and a couple of this, oh yeah, I forgot. The hedgehog. I had to put a hedgehog on here too. I forgot about that. So not only do I have a llama, not only do I have a giraffe, I have the hedgehog. And so I want you to check out the rest of my videos. If this is something that you love to see, give me a thumbs up. That helps me know what you guys like to see on my channel. I hope that you guys like and subscribe. I'm super close to 2,000 subscribers. I am about 100 subscribers left, and I would love to have you guys. I would love to have you guys come back. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you can be notified each and every time that I drop. I do gold splatters on here to round it out. The still shots are definitely coming up. And then that's what the layout looks like. I hope that you enjoy it, that you have a wonderful day. I'm going to leave you with the still shots and a little bit left of the design. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.